Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest from Google, the Pixel 9. Whether you're considering an upgrade or just curious about the newest tech, this review has got you covered. So let's get into it. The Google Pixel 9, it's a device that's both exciting and straightforward. Why? Because when you buy the Pixel 9, you're essentially getting a slice of the Pixel 9 Pro experience at a more affordable price. You've got the same processors, similar camera setup, and all the new AI features without missing out on the core innovations. Let's break it down. First up, the design. The Pixel 9 looks strikingly similar to its Pro sibling. Both models share a 6.3-inch display that's incredibly bright and vivid. The battery sizes are identical, and they both use Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for durability. In fact, Google claims the Pixel 9 is twice as durable as the Pixel 8. Gone is the old camera bar, replaced by a new camera pill design that looks sleek and modern. The Pixel 9 sports a matte glass back, while the Pixel 9 Pro has a polished finish. If you weren't told, it would be hard to distinguish between them, except for that extra camera lens on the Pro model. Now, let's talk specs. The Pixel 9 packs 12 GB of RAM, matching the Galaxy S24 Ultra, while the Pro bumps it up to 16 GB. For most users, 12 GB should be more than enough, but with new AI features becoming more advanced, extra RAM might come in handy. The Pixel 9 features the same 50MP wide and 48MP ultra-wide cameras as the Pro, but without the zoom lens. What's impressive is that you get the same sensors and image quality as the higher-end model. In contrast, other brands usually reserve top-tier cameras for their premium models. Where the Pixel 9 truly shines is in its AI capabilities. Google's new Gemini AI is a game-changer, offering multimodal functionality. This means it can process voice, text, images, and audio to provide more intelligent responses. For instance, snap a photo of your fridge, and Gemini can suggest recipes based on the ingredients you have. But it's not just about photos. The Pixel 9's Add Me feature lets you insert yourself into group shots seamlessly, and the new Reimagine tool in the Magic Editor can replace large portions of your photo with AI-generated images. It's a bit of a mixed bag, useful in some cases, but potentially misleading in others. One concern that comes up is privacy. The Pixel 9 can listen to phone calls and take notes using Gemini AI. Google says it will inform both parties when this feature is active, but it's a feature that might make some users uncomfortable. It's a step toward a future where AI is more integrated into our daily lives, but it's worth considering how comfortable you are with this level of monitoring. So, how does the Pixel 9 stack up against competitors like the Samsung Galaxy S24? While Samsung leads in raw processing power, the Pixel 9 offers a better display and potentially better camera performance. It charges faster too, 45W compared to the Galaxy S24's 25W. In terms of build, the Pixel 9's materials feel premium, with bright color options and a sturdy design. The camera bump is noticeable but well designed, and Google promises twice the durability of the Pixel 8. Overall, the Pixel 9 is an impressive phone that blends high-end features with a more accessible price. Its AI capabilities are advanced and might set the stage for future innovations, but the real test will be how these features hold up in everyday use. If you're interested, the Pixel 9 is available for pre-order now and hit stores on August 22nd. It comes in 128GB and 256GB storage options, with colors inspired by nature, peony pink, winter green, and classic obsidian. And that's a wrap on our Google Pixel 9 review. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. Drop your thoughts and questions about the Pixel 9 in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.